If you're a fitness coach who hates selling, if sales conversations feel awkward, forced, or uncomfortable, and if your income feels inconsistent because of it, then this video is for you. Because here's the truth that most coaches never hear. You don't actually hate selling. You hate selling without a system. And those are two very different things. Most fitness coaches associate selling with pressure. Pushing people, convincing them, overcoming objections, and feeling like a used car salesperson. And that's because most coaches are freestyling their sales process. Every consultation is different, every conversation relies on emotion, and every close depends on confidence in that particular moment. That's not a sales problem. That's an architecture problem. When there's no structure, selling feels personal, stressful, and unpredictable. Systems remove that. High-performing businesses don't just rely on good salespeople. They rely on clear processes that guide people to decisions. When selling is systemized, conversations feel natural, pressure disappears, confidence increases, and conversions become predictable. The goal isn't to persuade. The goal is to create clarity. Let me show you how. The first mistake most coaches make is jumping straight to the solution. They explain programs, they talk about sessions, they list features, and this actually increases the resistance. A proper system starts with a diagnosis. Before you even talk about your offer, you should clearly understand where the client is stuck, why previous attempts have failed, and what they actually want to change. When people feel understood, selling disappears. You're no longer pitching, you're solving. And that's system number one. The second system is replacing the sales conversation with structured experience. People don't decide to buy because of your words. They decide to buy based on the experience. A trial session, a walkthrough, a clear demonstration of the process. Get them understanding what it's going to look like when they're inside. When someone experiences clarity, competence, and direction, the decision becomes logical. You're not convincing them, you're letting the system speak. The third system is simple but powerful. Clear options. Pressure comes from uncertainty. When someone doesn't know what to do next, they hesitate. A clean system presents option A, option B. Clear expectations and clear outcomes. No tricks, no manipulation, and no pressure. Just structure. And when structure is present, selling becomes calm, professional, and repeatable. Notice the pattern here. Selling stops feeling uncomfortable when your emotion is removed, your guesswork is removed, and your personality is removed. Structure can replace all three. And this is exactly why high-level operators don't sell harder. They design better systems. Systems to protect your energy, systems that stabilize your income, and systems that give you confidence. If this way of thinking resonates with you, systems over pressure and structure over stress, I've built a free community where I break this down in so much more detail. It's called the NXTLVL Academy, and you're invited. It's where fitness coaches learn how to install systems, automate the busy work, and build predictable growth without burning out or feeling salesy. If you're interested, you'll find the link in the description of this video. And if you hate selling, don't just try to become better at it. Build a system that makes selling unnecessary. If you found the information in this video helpful, please consider liking and commenting on this video and subscribing to my channel. I'll see you in the next video.